Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to see various reports of cost centers. So we have created various entry of cost centers and we have created various entries for this table which have particular department and particular expenses. Now let's see how to see various reports which are of cost center for particular entries. Now go to the P&L, which is profit and loss account. So you can see indirect expense, in which conveyance expense is 5,000, mobile expense is 2,500, sales expense is 1,60,000. Now we cannot see various details for particular expense. So press escape and come out to the gateway of Tally and go to the display option, statement of accounts, cost centers, and go. After going to the cost center, you can see various reports. Let's first see category summary. So in the category summary, now you can see account department have expense of 22,000, total of 22,000, which contain mobile, conveyance and salary expense. Admin department have 27,200 and likewise sales departments have. Now I want to see expenses using cost center breakup. So select particular department, account department. Account department have expenses of 22,000 and conveyance expense of 1,500, mobile expense of 500 and sales expense of 20,000. So these how we can see various reports. If you want to see for the admin department, then we can also see, press shift enter, you can expand the details. So this is the various reports of cost center for particular expense. Now if you want to see the reports using the ledger breakup, then you can see by ledger breakup option. For example, you can also see the particular ledger which is mobile expense, which particular department have how much expense on mobile. So we can see it by the ledger breakup. So mobile expense of account department is 500, admin department have 600 and sales department have 1,400. So this way we can see various reports of cost center, and cost centers make this very easy and very simple. So this is the advantage of cost center. So in this tutorial we have learned how to see various report based on entry we have created using the cost center option of Tally. Thank you.